Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Systeme.io logo. First, let's open a funnel here, and you can see a logo is prompted on our screen here. You can see this is the logo that we're talking about, that we just sometimes it's irritated that our logo is appeared in our page like this. So if you want to remove this, then you must need to purchase the paid version of Systeme.io. You can remove it in the free version that we are using currently right now. You just need to purchase the plan of a premium plan of Systeme.io. That's how. Then you can automatically cancel it or remove it from your page or any type of funnels that you have created. In free version, there is no option to enable or disable the affiliate links display on the page, so you can't remove it from your funnel or any type of web pages. But after purchasing the premium plan, you will get an option to you can disable or enable to display the affiliate link on your web page or any funnel. And that's how you can remove Systeme.io logo. And if you want to remove it as well in email campaigns, any type of email campaigns, then you just need to click on your profile at the top right corner, then go to settings, and from here you will find emails. Here at the very bottom you will find the option display my affiliate link at the end of each email I send. You can disable this option if you have only premium version available. Then you can simply enable or disable this option. After disabling this option, you can see there will be no logo or any affiliate link in your email that you have sent through your campaign. And that's how you can also remove the logo from your web page or any funnels that you have created. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.